Hello everyone, welcome to Factspedia. We Indians are known to have a sweet tooth. All of us have a great love for the varieties of sweets. From auspicious occasions to festivals, sweets are the most important part of any celebration. With the presence of delectable desserts and sweets, any celebration such as weddings, birthday parties, etc., seems to be incomplete. It is the big reason why huge varieties of Indian sweets are popular across the world. When it comes to have something sweet, the sweets name listed below first comes to mind of an individual. Indian desserts and sweets are in huge demand in various markets of the world. Different desserts are from the various parts of the country and they earn massive respect from the way they are made. Number 1 on the list is Rasgulla. They are the dumplings of cottage cheese and semolina dough. Light syrup of sugar is prepared for cooking them. The dish originated in West Bengal. It is also known as Bangla Rasgulla. It is the iconic sweet of West Bengal. Number 2. Rabdi. The city Banaras is known for the famous sweet dish Rabdi. It is prepared by heating the sweetened milk in a very big vessel. It consists of dry fruits and saffron. It's a delicious experience to enjoy a full plate of rabdi sitting on the ghats of Ganges. Number 3. Kaju Katli. A Marwari sweet which is famous all over India is Kaju Katli. It can be found most of the time on auspicious occasions such as puja, festivals like Diwali, and marriages. Cashew nuts are the main ingredients of this sweet. They are diamond in shape with the filling of cashew nuts and sugar. It is one of the country's most expensive desserts. As a reason, it is regarded as a valuable present at festivals and special events. No doubt that it comes at the top and main priority for many people. Number 4. Laddu. Laddus are round sweet balls which are rolled by hand. Motichur laddus are most popular and are the best known varieties of laddus. This motichur laddus has a bright orange color and most of the time they are in high demand during the 10-day celebration of Ganpati. Other varieties of laddus are besan ke laddu, atta laddu, sattu ke laddu, etc. Laddus are also one of the most popular sweet offering to God. Number 5. Barfi. The Barfi name originated from a Persian name Barf. This name means snow. Similarly, Barfi is the condensed form of sugar and milk cooked together. This Barfi can be of various shapes and sizes and is most renowned in northern India. Barfi flavor was enhanced with fruits like mango or coconut and nuts like almonds or cashews. Number 6. Rasmalai. Another popular Bengali sweet dish is rasmalai. This dish is made up of a creamy dough made of Indian cottage cheese soaked in thick sweetened condensed milk. Ras means juice and malai means cream. Krishna Chandra Das, a well-known Bengali confectioner from Kolkata, is generally credited with inventing the dish. However, there are no formal records to support that claim. It tastes awesome when served chilled with various kinds of dried fruits spread on top. Number 7. Gulab Jamun. Gulab Jamun is again a dumpling-like sweet that is made with condensed milk dipped in rose-flavored sugar syrup. In the rose-flavored syrup, the sweet is dipped in and the dark color of the sweets give it the name Gulab Jamun, where the word Gulab means rose and Jamun means blackberry. Number 8. Sandesh. Sandesh is another popular Bengali sweet which is made with only two basic ingredients, milk and sugar. Termed as Sandesh in Bengal, often served by Bengali families during Durga Puja. Sandesh is typically produced from chena, a curdled milk byproduct. Some people claim that the dessert was inspired by cheese-based meals that early European traders introduced to Kolkata. Number 9. Kheer. In India, there are many types of milk-based puddings, and kheer is one of the most popular. Rice is cooked with milk and sugar, then topped with saffron, cardamom, dried fruits, and nuts. Indian milk puddings come in variety of flavors including kheer, firni, and payasam. The meal is called sevai in South India because rice is replaced with vermicelli. Number 10. Jalebi. Jalebi is a popular dessert in India. It's a hoop-shaped treat produced by deep frying flour and then soaking it in sugar syrup. Iran and Turkey both have their own variants of jalebi. This simple dessert recipe may be found in several old Indian cookbooks dating back to 15th century. The best way to enjoy jalebis is to eat them when they are still warm. Number 11. Kulfi, a popular frozen dessert that is rich, dense, and creamy. Saffron, cardamom, pistachio, and almonds in condensed milk, served chilled. Kulfi is a refreshing summer treat to enjoy. Kulfi are available in variety of flavors too. Kulfi, like many other Indian desserts, is influenced by Persian cuisine. When the Mughals arrived in India, it became famous. Number 12. Malai Ghevar. Ghevar, a traditional dish-shaped dessert from Rajasthan, is a must-have treat during Tej festivals in northern Indian regions. Made from maida, desi ghee, milk and sugar syrup, saffron, dry fruits and the silver varak are sprinkled on the top. This honeycomb dessert includes a variety of toppings to make it more attractive. Number 13. Gajar ka halwa. Gajar ka halwa is a sweet dish made from grated carrots, cooked with milk and cardamom. The mixture is then cooked with sugar and ghee. Finally, dried fruits are added to the meal. In the Mughal time, the dish became famous and is still offered during Hindu and Muslim festivities in India, such as Diwali and Eid al-Fitr. Number 14. Son Papdi. Son Papdi is a dessert with a delicate flaky texture that dissolves in your mouth like cotton candy. In comparison to this Indian dessert, the Turkish pismayani comes close. Gram flour is an important element in the making of Son Papdi, which requires a lengthy process. Number 15. Mysore Pak. In South India, Mysore Pak is quite famous. This dish is claimed to have originated in Mysore Palace during Maharaja Krishna Raja Vadiyar IV reign as the 24th king of the Kingdom of Mysore in Karnataka in the 19th century. Flour, sugar, and a generous amount of ghee go into this delicious treat.